So right here, this intersection used to be the busiest spot in Woonsocket. Trains, trolleys, hotels, banks, a department store, all of it crammed into one square. Most people drive through here now and don't even think twice about it. So this is Depot Square, and it's named that for a reason. The building right here is the old Providence Worcester Railroad Depot, built in 1882 after the first one burnt down. Brick, Queen Anne style, with this great little clock tower that used to have a locomotive weather vane on top. Now it's missing and no one knows where it is. This was the finest passenger depot on the whole Providence-Worcester line. Fun fact, this is also where they filmed Hachi, A Dog's Tale, back in 2009. There's a statue of the dog right out front. Now look across the street. That's the Longley Building, put up in 1890 by a Pawtucket businessman named Charles Longley, and is actually sitting on the spot where the old Woonsocket Baptist Society Church used to be. Granite, slate, brownstone, cast iron, the guy did not hold back on the details. Next door, you've got the Unity Building from around 1886. Red brick, real restrained compared to the Longley Building, but it had a great pressed metal parapet with a sunburst design and the building's name right across the front. That's the Hotel Blackstone, built in 1927, 50 rooms, a second floor ballroom, even a bowling alley in the basement. It went up on a lot that only existed because they abandoned the old road to build the new Court Street Bridge. Now, if you walk over towards where the McCarthy Building used to be, you're not going to find that building anymore. That whole block, home to the department store that everyone loved, was torn down in the 60s. Now it's a little park, and if you look at the side of City Hall, there's actually a mural painted there showing what those demolished buildings used to look like. This whole square came together in just a couple of decades, the 1880s and 90s, all built under the lease agreements from one family that owned the land for almost 100 years. Crazy how much history is packed into one little corner.